I think this is I think it's gonna be my third or fourth episode of the Maharashtrian ride. By now you know already that I'm traveling with Lohit and Vivek in Maharashtra. So Vivek is just behind me, and to give a context, yeah, I have not told you guys where we are going, right? Yeah. Before that, we stayed at Vivek's house at Pune and took a rest. That was like a very much needed rest. So yesterday we didn't travel. We were like properly resting and all. And oh my god, we had a lot of data to transfer to the laptop, external hard disk and all. So after doing all that, taking proper rest, kind of, we are back on the road. And see, like if you have observed the Maharashtra series, we have covered the falls, the ghat sections, trekking. We were craving for something else different, and Maharashtra won't disappoint you with the options. So we are going towards Ratangad. So it's gonna be another trek, but it's not like that hardcore trek of Saat Kund. I don't know, to be honest, but as far as I know, it's like around 2 hours of trek from Ratangad to Ratangad Fort. The itinerary for today is from Pune. We have currently I have crossed to what? Manchar, and after Manchar it's the Rajangaon, something like that. At Tamini Ghat we put the tent and all, right? So it's gonna be like that today as well. So currently what we thought of was like we'll ride towards Ratangad, and somewhere there we'll find a spot and put the tent for the night. And tomorrow morning from there we'll put all the important things in the car and start the trekking in the morning. So that's the itinerary. But one plus point is Ratangad is after the Malshej Ghat and all, so I can cover Malshej Ghat while coming back. So you know what's coming next. So we're gonna be covering Malshej as well in the upcoming ride. So stay tuned, guys, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Share with your friends and family. Whew, yeah. And I don't know how's the video quality is gonna be, because this is the first night ride vlog I'm doing it during Maharashtra series. So it's a little different than the other episodes. I hope you guys like it. Full tank करना, हाँ? Full tank. 0 हुआ? हो गया। ठीक है। और ना लोहित भाई, खाने के लिए क्या करें यार? खा लेना चाहिए था अभी यार। अभी वो जो प्रीतेज है ना, प्रीतेज होटल जो भी हम डाले हैं ना, हाँ, क्लोजेस सून दिखा रहा है, मतलब 11 o'clock तक। समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या करना करके। what I was saying was before 11 o'clock hotel will start closing, so we don't have much time to stop as well. And probably we might take a parcel or something, and after putting the tent we'll eat something in the other tent itself. बोल दिया जो भी मिलते हैं स्टॉप करके लोकेशन सेंड करने के लिए। आ जाओ। पाँच मिनट दिखा रहा था तो खींच लिया। मैं भी देखा उधर रोक सकते थे, बट एनीवे इट वाज ओपन दिस में ना। Finally we got a dinner here. Bhai, what was the hotel name? What was the hotel name? The Grand Nimantran. Had dinner. Nice थाली भाई। I mean proper कौन सा थाली भाई? महाराष्ट्रियन थाली। घर को बताया ना। हाँ, रतनगढ़ डाल दो। अभी कितना 83 किलोमीटर दिखा रहा है। मज़ा आएगा भाई, अभी 2 बज जाएगा पहुँचते पहुँचते। बट खाना इतना अच्छा था, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही खा लिया लग रहा है ना। अच्छा गोप्रो चल रहा है। Bike refueled, stomach is also refueled. Only thing pending is reaching Ratangad now and setting up the night camp and sleeping. Kya bhai? Yep, the time is 11:59. Like literally midnight, guys. 12 बज गए यार। हाँ घरे अंधेरे रास्ते में भूत दिखा अगर के थंबनेल डालते। हाँ रोकेगा, रोका हमको। I think we have entered Ratangad Fort, the Ghat section. The curves are starting to come up, and there's a signboard everywhere saying drive slowly, horn. Bhai saab. Did you observe anything? Throughout the area I'm observing there's this beautiful yellow color flowers here, right? It's looking beautiful, man. Look at that. See? Everything. The thing is, it's already night. I don't know what to show or what to speak with you guys. So I was just enjoying these curves, of course playing safe. I mean, it doesn't feel like we are going up or something. I mean, we still have some 55 more kilometers. Probably we are just passing through a village or something. Definitely the twists are getting a lot sharper now, and the portals are right there where you want to take a turn. So they're just like, bro, you just step inside, we'll just see something like this. Finally, the last 25 kilometers, I think we're gonna get a little better road. I'm pretty much sure. Just getting sleepy, okay? नहीं, कुछ तो होगा। Hey everyone, good morning. The time is around 6:30, I guess. And yesterday we thought like we'll camp out, but did not get a suitable location, proper location. So stayed in the car itself, and yeah, Charlie is there. That is Lohit, and that's his Honda. Kind of packing up for the trek. Yeah, by the way, it's gonna be another trek. I'm assuming it's not that hard as the Satkund, but let's see. No expectations, nothing. रतनगडला इकडून आहो का? कुठून आहे
बाय.
भाई लेफ्ट साइड में देख ना, लेक मस्त है यार. हाँ